Hello, my name is John Peach and I'm a data scientist on the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Data Science Service team. In this module, you'll learn what a data science service Conda pack is. In this lesson, we will introduce you to various Conda environments you can use for your data science projects. Because Conda environments can be challenging to create from scratch, Oracle has developed a set of pre-made Conda environments built upon open source software that you can download and customize to suit your specific needs. The Data Science Service offers a series of data science environments that you can access through the Jupyter Lab Launcher tab by clicking the Environment Explorer. All Data Science Service Conda environments come with the OCI Python SDK as well as the ADS SDK. Most Conda environments will have the publicly available version of Oracle ADS. The public version does not have the Oracle Labs AutoML and model explainability options. These two features are found in select data science Conda environments, such as the general machine learning for CPU or GPU Conda environments. Types of Conda environments. Some Conda environments are based upon an application. For example, a Conda environment for Onyx or PyPGX or PySpark. Other Conda environments are based on the use case, such as computer vision, data exploration and manipulation, financial services. Each one of these Conda packs have a select best-of-breed software built in them to match the tasks or the application that you're trying to work with. Conda environment families. Condas are grouped based on the Python version in the environment and the architecture. For example, the natural language processing Conda pack has the following versions. You have natural language processing for CPU, which is the architecture, Python version 3.7, version 2, and if you notice, the third item on the list is the same thing, but it's version 1. So the difference between these two versions is a change in the software that's provided, but they both run on the same architecture and both have the same version of Python. Another example, the general machine learning Conda environment. Each version is that's being shown here only has a single version, and we've gone from general machine learning for CPU Python version 3.6 version 1 to general machine learning for CPU on Python 3.7. There is generally a naming convention used for the Conda environments based upon its use case. So application-based Conda environments have their name based on the software, the version, and the architecture and the Python version. For example, PyTorch 1.10 for GPU on Python 3.7, or TensorFlow 2.7 for CPU on Python 3.7 version 1. For use case-based Conda packs, the naming convention is the task for an architecture on a Python version. For example, data exploration and manipulation, that's the task. For CPU, the architecture on Python version 3.7. Some older Conda environments do not follow this convention. Let us talk about some popular data science Conda environments. The first one is computer vision. Computer vision is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Computer vision derives information from images and videos. The computer vision for CPU and GPU Conda environments includes some of the most powerful data science tools for pre-processing images and performing computer vision tasks. Use the Conda environment for object detection, object tracking, stitching, compressing images, facial recognition, eye tracking, and much more. Some of the popular libraries that are included are scikit-image, Pillow, PyTorch, and the popular open source computer vision library OpenCV. This library includes several hundred computer vision algorithms. The data exploration and manipulation Conda environment contains libraries for ingesting and visualizing data sets. You can stream data from Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and much more. It's designed for doing exploratory analysis. It includes open source products such as ADS, which is installed for ingesting data from multiple data sources in OCI. You can also consume streams using the Kafka Python library. You will work with data frames using Pandas, Panda Parallel, Dask, create plots using Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and Bouquet to construct visualizations of your data sets. The general machine learning Conda environment is one of the most popular ones. This environment provides a baseline for generic machine learning tasks and comes with multiple notebook examples to help you get started. You can do things such as data manipulation, supervised machine learning, generic machine learning tasks. By that we mean there is a wide assortment of machine learning algorithms built into the Conda environment. This Conda environment also has functionality for auto machine learning using Oracle's AutoML and Oracle Labs machine learning explainability packages in ADS help you understand what your model is doing. The general machine learning library includes such things as XGBoost, LightGBM, Keras with TensorFlow, and as I mentioned, Oracle AutoML. This environment includes the model explaining library, Oracle MLX, which is distributed through ADS. Natural language processing Conda environment is designed for users interested in working with text data sets and performing natural language processing tasks. Such tasks would be text extraction, key phrase extraction, parts of speech tagging. The environment contains curated lists of libraries and frameworks common for natural language processing workloads. These libraries include NLTK, Hugging Face, transforming libraries, various wrappers around BERT such as KeyBERT, and natural language processing and deep learning accelerating frameworks such as PyTorch Lightning and Simple Transformers. ONNX is an open source format that represents machine learning models. ONNX is open source, open model, and allows you to save models from different types of model classes into a single portable format that is independent of the training library. It defines a set of operators that are used as building blocks. It provides a common file format to enable AI developers to use models with a variety of frameworks, tools, runtimes, and compilers. This environment is designed to test and execute your ONNX model artifacts. ONNX models can be deployed using the data science model deployment service. So it includes portability and operability between different frameworks. So you can develop a model, let's say, in scikit-learn, save it in ONNX, and then when the ONNX runtime runs, it's not concerned with having scikit-learn or TensorFlow, whatever it was built on, does not need to be there. It will just execute as an ONNX file, an ONNX model. The ONNX runtime library allows you to run models on different platforms. Use this Conda environment to convert models from most machine learning libraries to ONNX formats. Then use the ONNX runtime to perform inferencing. Review the processing steps that your model makes by having the ONNX generate a graph of the model workflows. This environment is commonly used in model deployment as the base Conda environment, and not necessarily the Conda environment that it was trained on. Oracle Database. This Conda environment supports on-premise and autonomous database, ATP and ADW databases. Use this notebook to create ETL jobs, batch transform data, and perform database queries. It comes with such tools as IPython SQL, Oracle ADS, and SQL Alchemy. You can seamlessly work with Oracle databases using the ADS connector, SQL Alchemy, and IPython SQL. The ADS connector provides a uniform interface to connect to databases. Use IPython SQL to directly enter SQL commands into a cell without the need for Python in that cell. This includes support for Oracle databases, MySQL, SQLite, and general support for most databases. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning framework. It provides a wide range of algorithms for deep learning. Some of the high-level features include tensor computing with strong acceleration on GPUs and deep neural networks built on automatic differentiation systems. Common use cases include computer vision, natural language processing, and general machine learning. This environment includes acceleration support for Intel CPUs with the use of del4py, a library that enhances sklearn algorithms and using one of Intel's oneAPI data analytics library. This allows you to compute neural networks on a cheaper CPU than the more expensive GPUs. PySpark is a Python-based API for Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a framework for processing huge amounts of data on a distributed compute system. It contains the very powerful MLlib, which is a specialized library for machine learning. The Conda environment allows you to write your test code in a notebook session and then execute it on Dataflow, where Dataflow is OCI's Spark system. It includes packages such as Spark SQL Magic, which allows you to execute Spark SQL commands directly in the notebook. TensorFlow Conda environment is an ecosystem of tools and libraries to create state-of-the-art machine learning models. You can use TensorFlow to train and deploy deep neural networks for image recognition, natural language processing, recurrent neural networks, and many other machine learning applications. You can use the Oracle ADS library to speed up your data science workflows. Some of the important libraries that it includes, obviously, is TensorFlow, but it also includes TensorBoard, which provides a visualization tool needed for understanding your machine learning experiments. Let's wrap up. In this module, we have talked about what a data science Conda environment is, meaning that that's a Conda environment that is managed and curated by Oracle. We've talked about the types of Conda environments that Oracle manages. We've talked about what a Conda environment family is, its naming convention, and we have reviewed several popular data science Conda environments so that you can better understand their use cases and what key libraries are used. Thank you very much.